Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix PFN list corrupt blue screen error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of blue screen error, PFN list corrupt blue screen error, here are the fixes. And to fix this issue, your Windows will not start normally, so completely shut down your computer. By pressing power button, completely shut down your computer or your laptop. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. After shutting down your PC, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Turn the computer back on while holding down the F11 key. While you pressing turn on power button and in between, continuously conjointly press F11 key and power button. Some devices may require F8 instead. So as per your device, either F11 or F8 key conjointly press with power button and your computer will start in a black mode such as please wait for some times. It will take few minutes, so follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will take few minutes or few seconds and a blue screen you will receive. Here you will find choose an options and here you will find 4 options: continue, use a device, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. Here choose troubleshoot, click on it. Here you will find 2 options: reset this PC and advanced options. Here click on advanced options and here you will find 6 options under advanced options: startup repair, startup settings, command prompt, uninstall updates. If you have recently installed any updates, then uninstall it, UEFI firmware and system restore. First choose the startup repair and follow on screen instruction to complete the process, and again choose an options, go to troubleshoot, advanced options and here choose a startup settings and also choose command prompt. And in command prompt windows, execute the command SFC scan now. Type after blinking cursor in black box SFC space slash and scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some time, so wait till 100% verification complete, and after that check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, turn on your Windows with safe mode, enable safe mode, and to enable safe mode again go to the same position, choose an options, troubleshoot, advanced options and here choose a startup settings. Advanced options and choose a startup settings. Click on it and here you will find restart to change Windows options such as enable safe mode. Click on restart. Again your system will restart. Wait and your system will ask to reboot your system with safe mode, so press the function key F4 to enable safe mode. Press F10 or 0 for more options and here choose enable safe mode under option number 4. So choose function F4 key to enable safe mode in your system, and after enabling your system in safe mode, go to the next fixes and again on the same Windows choose an option, click on troubleshoot. Here choose advanced options and here you will find 6 options: startup repair, startup settings, command prompt, uninstall updates, UEFI firmware settings, and choose system restore. Click on system restore and restore system files and settings page will open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer slow. On the next page, restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose selected event. So more restore points and you will find more restore points. Choose a system restore point from which your computer was in good condition. So we will choose Windows Update, click on next, and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish. Your computer will be back to the state where your computer was in good condition, and check whether your Windows starts normally or not. If not, open control panel in your system. On your Windows will already in safe mode, and in safe mode open control panel and here choose programs and features, and here look for any recently installed apps in your system. If you have installed any apps or programs in your system and after that your problem arises, so uninstall that particular apps and features from control panel, and after that close the control panel windows and check whether your system error, your PC ran into a problem error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear, and in command prompt Windows execute the command chkdsk. All this action will happening under safe mode. Check the next time the system restarts, type Y and press enter and restart your system. Your system will be scanned with chkdsk.